Hello and welcome to our election yatra in West Bengal, where we are crisscrossing the state to get you the reports on what the people feel. Now, there were two places which propelled or catapulted the Trinamool Congress to power in the state of West Bengal. One place was Nandigram, which is going to polls on the 1st of April. You know about the dynamics. It has been spoken about a lot. The other place has a lot to do with the land, which is right behind me. This entire area is around 900 odd acres. Now, if you recall, this is the exact same place where a certain car factory was supposed to come up. Yes, we are talking about the Tata Nano plant. This land was allotted by the previous CPM government in Shingur to the Tata Nano factory for the construction for building their car, and thus it led to an agitation where Mamata Banerjee, she camped here along with her men and all the protesters, started a land agitation supported by the locals here, who felt that if there will be a factory here, in the manner in which this land was acquired, they will become landless. They will have nowhere to go. And what will happen to them? Finally, they won. The factory never existed, but even now, if you ask anyone over here, this piece of land, massive piece of land right here, is still known as the Tata Nano factory. On the highway, all you have to do is just say Tata Nano factory jana, and they will point you towards this land. What exactly has happened in Shingur post that agitation? Has Mamata Banerjee been able to deliver on promises? Number one, defend people's honor. She said there's a fight for an honor. You can't just acquire people's land, they'll become landless. Where will they go? How will they earn their livelihood? So to that extent, yes, she was rewarded politically in power for 10 years. But then after that, for the past 10 years, what has she done? Or is the story of Shingur pretty much like this empty land, where a lot was promised, but very little can be seen? We are going to decode the Shingur story by speaking to the people and also narrating and telling you the story of the politics right here. In many ways, it is slightly similar yet different than Nandigram. For instance, in Nandigram also, it is a former TMC person against Mamata Banerjee, Shubhendu Adhikari versus Mamata Banerjee, so she's contesting from there. In Shingur also, a trusted aide of Mamata Banerjee, Mr. Rabindranath Bhattacharya, 88 years old, is pitted against a certain Mr. Manna, who were both with Mamata Banerjee in the Shingur agitation. What do people think about these two candidates, about Mr. Bhattacharya, about the Bharatiya Janata Party's prospects? And what does Shingur hope this election? The other battleground, apart from Nandigram, is Shingur. We'll get you a comprehensive story as we go along. यहाँ पर सिंगूर में यहीं पर टाटा का फैक्ट्री आना था, अब वो फैक्ट्री तो आया नहीं, किसानों का आंदोलन हो गया। आपको क्या लगता है चुनाव में इस बार किसकी हवा ज़्यादा है?
एक्चुअली देखा जाए तो सिंगूर में तो तृणमूल का आएगा।
तृणमूल आएगा, हाँ? और जो रविंद्रनाथ दादा हैं, रविंद्रनाथ भट्टाचार्य, वो तो बीजेपी चले गए, वो कह रहे हैं मैं बदला लूंगा।
भरोसा खो चुका है वो।
अच्छा,
काल तक जिनने बोला है बीजेपी खराब है,
हाँ।
ये है वो है, वो आज कैसे बोल रहा है कि बीजेपी ठीक है?
हाँ।
गलत है ना ये।
तो आप कह रहे हैं वो भरोसा खो चुके हैं?
जरूर, आप खुद सोचिए ना। काल तक जिसने बोला है ये काला है,
हाँ।
आज कैसे वो दूध जैसा सफेद हो गया है?
हाँ। हाँ।
वो फिर अपना कुछ खुद का कुछ होगा उसमें वो,
हाँ।
तभी वो कह रहा है ऐसे।
अच्छा, ये बताइए कि अब ये फैक्ट्री तो आई नहीं, लेकिन रोजगार के लिए, नौकरी के लिए और क्या क्या यहाँ पर हुआ? वो भी तो नहीं हुआ।
नहीं, यहाँ पर नहीं हुआ, लेकिन पूरा इंडिया में कहाँ हुआ ये तो देखना होगा ना। सिर्फ इसको दिखाने से कुछ नहीं बनेगा बात।
हाँ।
पूरा इंडिया का हालत देखिए आप।
हाँ।
कुछ हुआ है?
हाँ।
अब सिंगूर को छोड़ दीजिए,
हाँ।
और भी स्टेट का, वेस्ट बंगाल का और भी जिला है,
हाँ।
वहाँ क्या हुआ है?
right here in Shingur as well, the other battleground as far as Mamata Banerjee is concerned. We are at one of the rally spots right here. You can see that people have now started trickling in. The stage is set because she's on a wheelchair. That's why a ramp has been put up so that she can go onto the stage. She's going to address the gathering here. Remember, in more ways than one, the situation in Shingur is a lot like Nandigram, where her former aide has now turned into her rival. Over here, it's Ravindranath Bhattacharya at the age of 88 is proving to be the challenger. He has joined the Bharatiya Janata Party. The big challenge for Mamata Banerjee as well as her present-day trusted aides will be to convince people that it's not Mr. Bhattacharya but her face and her political party, which still has enough political currency to win not just Nandigram but also Shingur. बेचाराम मन्ना जी, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। आप उम्मीदवार हैं तृणमूल कांग्रेस की तरफ से, लेकिन आपसे पहले जो यहाँ के उम्मीदवार जो पार्टी के चेहरे थे रविंद्रनाथ भट्टाचार्य, अब वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी में चले गए। उन्होंने कहा है कि तृणमूल कांग्रेस ने धोखा दिया है उनको और वो ठगे हुए महसूस करते हैं। तो आपको लगता है कि ये सिंगूर के लोग भी उन्हीं की तरह सोचेंगे?
देखियो, सिंगूर का जो पब्लिक है ये अच्छा आंख से नहीं देता है। ये रविंद्र बाबू जो किया है ये पब्लिक को धोखा दिया है और दल को धोखा दिया है।
So after her rally in Shingur, Mamata Banerjee is taking off to go for another sabha. It'll be very interesting to see whether the fact that she has been mentioning Shingur and Nandigram interchangeably, in fact has been mentioning them in the same breath, Shingur and Nandigram together, will it also take off or give flight to her ambitions, political ambitions, 10 years into her rule, just like her chopper is flying high as of this moment. So that's going to be very, very crucial as of this moment.